Hello mathematicians. In this video, our learning target is I can write story problems for each math mountain. Let's take a look at our first math mountain, Math Mountain A. Before writing my story problem, I want to identify the equation I am going to use that will fit both with the math mountain and my story problem. Remember, I am starting with Math Mountain A. The equation I want to use in my story problem is 5 plus 3 equals blank. Now I am ready to write my story problem. The next thing I need to do is think about a label or unit I want to use. I think I'm going to go ahead and use books for this story problem. Notice I have 5 first in my equation. 5 plus 3 equals blank. This means my first sentence is going to have the number 5 in it. I have 5 books. Notice that 3 is second in my equation. 5 plus 3 equals blank. 3 will be in my second sentence. My mom gave me 3 more books. Five and 3 are my partners. My total is missing. Therefore, my last sentence, or in this case, the question, is going to contain the total. How many books do I have now? I'm going to read my story problem just in case. I have 5 books. My mom gave me 3 more books. How many books do I have now? Okay, 5 is a partner, and 3 is my other partner. And how many books do I have now? That's asking what is my total. I am now ready to write a story problem for Math Mountain B. First, I want to identify the equations that I can use in my story problem. I can have 8 minus 5 equals blank, or 5 plus blank equals 8. Or I can have 8 minus blank equals 5. I want to write a story problem with the equation 5 plus blank equals 8. 5 is first in my equation. This means my first sentence is going to have 5 in it. I have 5 books. Blank is next in my equation. This means in my second sentence, I have to have the word some in it because the partner is unknown. Rita has some books. Because there is an unknown partner in my equation, I have to have an extra sentence. This sentence is going to reveal my total. Altogether, we have 8 books. Now I am ready to ask my question. My question will ask about Rita's books because Rita has the unknown amount. How many books does Rita have? Now I am ready to check if my Math Mountain and equation both match my story problem. I have 5 books, 5 and 5. Rita has some books, unknown partner, unknown partner. Altogether, we have 8 books, 8 and 8. How many books does Rita have? I am now ready to write a math story problem for Math Mountain C. First, I want to identify the equations that I may want to use in my story problem. I can use 8 minus blank equals 3, or blank plus 3 equals 8. I can also use 8 minus 3 equals blank. I am going to go ahead with blank plus 3 equals 8. I have some books. The word some is representing my unknown partner. Rita has 3 books. Altogether, we have 8 books. How many books do I have? I have some books. Rita has 3 books. Altogether, we have 8 books. How many books do I have? Sum 3, 8. Sum 3, 8. My Math Mountain and my equation both match my story problem. Mathematicians, this time I am going to write a story problem, and you are going to guess which Math Mountain matches the story problem. Isaac has 5 pens. Angelia has 3 pens. How many pens do both students have altogether? Which Math Mountain matches my story problem? Is it Math Mountain A, B, or C? It is Math Mountain A. Both partners, 5 and 3, are known. We are looking for the total. All together, that's our clue that we are looking for the total. Here's my next story problem. I wonder which Math Mountain matches. Henry had some toys. He gave 5 toys to Bona. Now, Henry has 3 toys. How many toys did Henry start with? Yes, Math Mountain A matches with this story problem. Mathematicians, I can write story problems for each Math Mountain. Can you write story problems for each Math Mountain?